This is Miss Wallace's 4th grade reading class performing The Parrot, a song written by Flowcabulary.
Yeah. Listen, I'm not embarrassed. This is the story of a parrot who was red and green, the prettiest thing you've ever seen. She didn't have a name, no wild animal does. She's in the jungle, see the tree, she's flying above. Yeah, her life was carefree, not a worry at all. 'Cause no animals hunt Harry's, the birdie was tall. She would fly to a wazoo by the waterfalls. Listen to the human cat, she liked how they talk. Sitting in her tree, she repeated what she heard. Until one day, this evil trapper named Bert heard her words. He's thinking, I'm gonna trap this bird. This beautiful, charming, attractive bird. He tried to coax the bird, hey birdie, come here. He tried to make the bird do what he wanted to hear. Bird was the evilest liar, pulled out a piece of papaya. The parrot wanted the fruit, it was what she desired. She didn't see the net until it was too late. Bird said, I'm gonna take it to the United States. I'm gonna sell you to a lawyer named Mitch. Little parrot, ha ha, you're gonna make me rich. We're gonna make it if we all just try. We're gonna make it, baby, we can fly. We're gonna make it, we are fly, man, if we all just try. We're gonna make it, we are fly, man, baby, we can fly. Had the parrot on a cage, on a boat, on a river. He whistled a tune while he cooked his dinner. The parrot longed, she wasn't feeling too great. Held in captivity, now she couldn't escape. She tried to talk the bird with the words she learned. She said, let me out. The bird's back was turned, and it didn't feed her. I mean, the dude was mean. Now she begged and pleaded to be free. Well, please release me. The bird wouldn't set her free. She was shaking and thinking, this is trouble for me. Now she could get frantic, just to upset, gonna throw tantrum any moment. Trapped in a cage on full of smoke and need someone to hug her whole hand. Whole beast, whole feet, with the breeze flies away. She was sad, the little book people crazy, was sad, the little book people crazy. But wait, the story's not tragic, the ending's not sad. 'Cause the parrot started chewing on the lock, man. And her beak was so strong, just from cracking some nuts. And the lock was kind of old, and it started to rust. Just when she was almost done hoping, she cracked open the lock and pushed the door open. Bird turned around, saw what was going down. He grabbed his head. Hey birdie, I will get you now. But the parrot took off as she flopped